Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I made Soteria's food within the ages of 6 to 9 months, even though she's 13 months now. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. This first recipe is the apple puree. So it's basically just the red apple, which is better for kids anyway. You peel the back of it off with a scraper thing that looks like that. You peel. Please, if you see any bad spots, be sure to cut it off. So next off is to cut the peeled apple into smaller chunks. I think those are called apple slices, but not like slices. Anyway, you're going to cut it into smaller chunks, remove all the bad parts in it, and then you put the chunks into clean water to rinse it off. Next thing I do is to grab a pot and then I pour my rinsed apple cubes in it. Personally, I prefer to use my daughter's bottled water as against the usual tap water or dispenser water, just to avoid stories that touch. Okay, everything has to be fresh and clean. Then I pop it on fire and let it boil for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I use a fork to just chuck it, like check it. And then once it's soft and the fork is piercing right through, I turn off the lights, then I bring it off, leave it on the island and let it cool. Okay, maybe I wasn't really patient with the cooling down. Anyway, you pop it in a blender and you blend it like normal blending till you get the consistency you want. The good thing about the apple is that you can use the water you've used to boil it to blend it so that you get all of that nutrient. And once it's blended, this is the consistency I like, and it's ready to be frozen and it's ready to be eaten. She loves it. Next up is the carrot puree. In the same vein, you get a carrot and peel it, then cut it into smaller chunks. For carrot, I would advise the smaller the better, just so that it doesn't spend too much time on fire. And you rinse it in clean water, pop it in a pot, in a clean pot. Again, I always pour my daughter's bottled water in there, and then I cook it for about 7 to 10 minutes as against 5 minutes for the apple because it's carrot and it's stronger. Then once it's done and your fork runs right through it, you get blending. However, for carrots, you don't use the same water you use to cook it to blend it. This is because the alkaline property of the carrot might be too strong, or it's too strong for babies. So you just use fresh water to blend it till you get your desired consistency. Okay, that's actually a bit too thick. But one thing you have to bear in mind when blending is it's better to be too thick than too watery. So in my case, I'm just going to add a bit of water, stir it into the consistency I like, then serve it in a bowl, ready to be eaten or frozen. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys some that I've had in the freezer for a bit. Yes. The last recipe I'm going to be showing you guys in this video is the brown rice and fruit mix recipe puree, anyhow, whatever. Anyway, so with brown rice you can actually get even igbimo, like the normal brown rice or the local one. Just make sure that the nutrients are good. Brown rice is better than white rice any day, so yeah, it's better for babies, but it's always too dirty, so you have to do a lot of washing. So you get washing and washing and washing and washing. Okay, let me stop. I actually had to wash this for about 6 to 7 times before the water started getting purer and purer. Anyway, once you're sure that it's cleaned, it's well cleaned, you pop it in a pot, pour water to fill the surface of the rice, and then you get boiling for about 30 to 35 minutes, or depending on what the instruction on your rice says. On to the last part, you're going to blend your rice and some of the carrot and apple. Now I am using carrot and apple for this just as a sweetener. Remember, there was no salt in the making of the rice, so you're just going to blend all that together. The secret here is a lot of water. Okay, you're going to need so much water to blend it because of the rice. But after that is all done, the consistency is going to be so nice. My baby girl loves this. And I actually started making this particular one towards 8 to 9 months. I was just doing the fruits for about 6, 7 months. So that's it, guys. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Right now, baby girl is eating all I'm eating. She's enjoying her life. Doesn't want to take all of this again. But while we're at it, this was all she was eating, of course, with her formula, and she was growing and glowing. Okay. Any mamas out there, if you try this, let me know how it works for you. And please feel free to comment below on whatever your baby girl or baby boy is eating in this period of time so you can help other moms. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and see you guys in the next one. Bye.